Dear students, welcome. This video will help you to get an awareness about the open elective course Object Oriented System Design. This course is offered by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and myself Lavanya, Assistant Professor Senior Scale, the Department of CSC. Now, we'll discuss a scenario how a software is developed when there is no systematic approach. Okay, this is a scenario how a customer explains about his product and what is the final product being developed. Okay, and the customer is explaining something like he requires a swing, that is 3-tire swing. The project leader understands it like a swing with single tire. The system analyst is designing in such a way that it's a swing but there is no stem part in the tree. The programmer writes code for the product and his code is like it's a swing but it does not swing. Okay, and the business consultant is describing the product to be a sophisticated sofa-like swing. The project documentation is void and the operations installed is just a string alone, but the customer was billed in huge and the support was none. Actually, the customer required is just a swing, that is a string with a tire. This is what the customer required, but the thing happened is entirely different. Okay, this scenario is making clear that there is a huge gap between the customer's explanation as well as expectation. Also, there is a gap between the requirements of the customer explanation and the understanding of the project leader. So the solution for this is OOSD. OOSD is Object Oriented System Design. This is a software design technical approach. This OOSD will be used to analyze and design an application system or a business model using object-oriented programming concepts. And this OOSD is developed by Ivar Jacobson in the year 1992. There are many object-oriented programming concepts. Few of those are listed here: class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. So using all this, you will incorporate all this object-oriented programming concepts into software engineering methodologies and develop a system. And there are mainly five framework activities in any software product development. First one is requirements analysis, and the second one is analysis, design, implementation, and then testing. So any software product being developed will come across all these steps, and after testing the product will be deployed to the customer. So these are the main framework activities. So these 5 framework activities can be represented as models, as well as this models could be represented in diagrams also. Either the diagram could be an object diagram or analysis diagram, use case diagram, or state transition diagram, or interaction diagram. And coming to the course objectives, this course will impart the knowledge on software lifecycle models and derive requirements for a software system, analyze classes with appropriate relationships, design classes, interfaces, and subsystems, and develop functional object-oriented software. So here is the syllabus overview. Unit 1 covers about the software process structures and various software development process models. You will learn about the various software development process models in detail here, and also you will learn about agile development in detail. And Unit 2 covers about requirements modeling. So here an overview about unified modeling language architecture is being given, and how requirements could be represented in a use case relationship or use case model it will be explained in this requirements modeling unit. And Unit 3 is about analysis modeling, and here you will learn about how to implement the various object-oriented programming concepts like classes, object, inheritance, polymorphism in software development, product development. And Unit 4 is about design modeling. Here we'll cover design workflow, design classes, design realization, interfaces, and subsystems. And in this Unit 4, we will learn how to sketch the advanced state charts. And Unit 5 covers about the implementation, testing, and deployment. Testing, both conventional as well as object-oriented applications will be discussed here. After that, deployment will be discussed. There are 2 textbooks for this course. One is Pressman and Maxim, Software Engineering, a Practitioner's Approach. And second book is Arlow's Unified Process practical object-oriented analysis and design. The benefits of object-oriented system design are modularity and code reuse, maintenance, system quality, design stability, development flexibility, and modeling. All of these are the benefits of object-oriented system design. And the applications of OOSD in business are, it's helpful in user interface design, in maintaining the object-oriented databases, as well as in the development of artificial intelligence and expert systems, decision support, and various office automation systems. The major takeaways are, this OOSD provides a methodology using which a software can be modeled and developed from its initial stage. Not only from the initial stage, from the previous version also, it could be modified with updates, and it could be maintained easily for clients for a long period. And the job opportunities, where once you know about this object-oriented system design, you could grab a job in any software development area. That it could be a software developer or software architect, business analyst, DevOps engineer, or full stack developer. And here are the faculty contact details. Thank you.